In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a phone number to your WordPress navigation menu. Whether you're running a business website, a portfolio, or a blog, having a clickable phone number in your menu can make it so much easier for clients or visitors to get in touch with you. This small functional feature can really enhance user experience, especially for those browsing your site on mobile devices. And the best part, it's quick and simple to set up. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head to the WordPress homepage. That's www.wordpress.com. Once you're there, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on the login option. This will take you to the sign-in page. Now, to streamline the process and keep things secure, I recommend signing in with your Google account. To do this, click on the option that says Continue with Google. Using Google authentication not only saves time, but also ensures that your login is secure. Just make sure you select the correct Google account that's linked to your WordPress site. If you're managing multiple accounts, take an extra moment to double-check this step. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll find yourself at the WordPress dashboard. From here, locate the Quick Links section, which is usually right on the main screen. Within this section, click on the Edit Site option. This will take you directly to the site editing interface. Now that you're in the editing interface, it's time to navigate to the menu section. Look for the area labeled Navigation. This is where all your site's menus are managed. Click on it to open up the list of menus. From here, choose the specific menu you want to update. For example, this might be your main site menu that appears at the top of your homepage. Next, find the three dots icon, which is usually located next to the menu name or in the settings bar. Click on it, and you'll see a drop-down menu with several options. Select Edit to enter the detailed editing mode. This is where you can make changes to the individual items in your menu. Now, to add your phone number, click on the plus icon. This allows you to create a new block within your menu. In the new block, you'll need to input your phone number in a specific format. Type the telephone protocol, which is tel followed by a colon and your phone number, all without spaces. For instance, it should look something like tel colon plus 12345678990. This format turns your phone number into a clickable link, making it easy for visitors on mobile devices to call you directly with just a tap. After entering the phone number, you'll see an option to confirm the link. Make sure to click on it to ensure everything is set up properly. This step is important because it verifies that the link is active and formatted correctly. Once the link is confirmed, you can customize the text that will appear for the phone number in your menu. To do this, look over to the right settings panel. Here, you can edit the displayed text to make it more user-friendly. For example, you might want it to say something like "call us" or "contact support." Adjusting the text is a great way to ensure it blends seamlessly with the rest of your menu design while still being clear to your visitors. And finally, once you're happy with how everything looks, don't forget to save your changes. At the top right corner of the screen, you'll see an option to either save or publish. Click on it, and this will update your site, making the new phone number visible in your live navigation menu. Saving your work is crucial to ensure that all the updates are successfully applied to your website. And that's it. You've just added a clickable phone number to your WordPress navigation menu. This small feature can make a big difference in how easily your visitors can connect with you, especially on mobile devices. If you have any questions about this process or run into issues, feel free to drop them in the comments below and I'll do my best to help. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.